The warning "transmission service required" in your Mitsubishi Outlander may or may not mean that the problem is actually with the transmission. Since the Outlander was mostly equipped with the Jetco CVT transmission, this unit may fail in the range of 100,000 to 150,000 miles and require replacement. But in most cases, its death will be accompanied by other warnings and quite significant symptoms, while the "transmission service required" message may be connected with other electronic issues. First of all, you may get this message if the system detects issues with fluid. If it's too thick, the transmission will not work properly, will overheat too often, and will eventually go to limp mode, throwing this error message. Usually, experts advise fluid and filter change once every 40,000 miles for the CVT transmissions. Also, I've seen several times this warning pop up because of ABS sensor failure. This may be a faulty sensor, a bad connection, water damage, or a temporary glitch. Very often the message will disappear after you turn off the engine and then turn it on again after a minute or two. If you've been off-roading or driving in very harsh conditions, the CVT may have been overheated and you will see this warning on the dashboard. In this case, it makes sense to stop the car, turn it off, and wait for at least 20 minutes. Then you may want to continue driving to see if the message disappears. If you can't locate the reason for this warning with such simple manipulations, it's a good idea not to read the forums, since there are hundreds of problems that may cause this issue. The best option is to get a good high-end scanner and read the codes. Even if the warning is gone, you may still have the code stored as inactive. This will point you at the problem and you will avoid wild guessing the actual problem.